Okay, our next pattern is going to be an outside underarm pass to an inside underarm pass to a promenade close. I know that's a lot, okay? It's got like 3 patterns put into one. But what we're going to do is we're going to go through this in different angles and show you, okay, what it looks like. And again, break it down at any time. Ready? Start with the left foot again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know, it's a lot, right? It's a nice pattern. So let's try out from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's try this again. Let's go from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Okay, one more angle. All right, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nicely done. Now remember, the size of the pattern and how far or how big you get, that varies. Okay? The music that you dance to, how you move and understand one another's lead and follow, it takes time. You'll get this. Rewind as much as you need to. It's like a movie. You'll catch something every time you watch it. When we give you 4 different angles, have fun with this, enjoy, and we'll see you back for the next pattern.